Welcome back, children, to lesson number 8 of your EVS subject, Science of Kitchen. Children, take out page number 66 and start reading with me. The taste of different foods is not same. We enjoy food due to different in the taste and aroma in the food. Children, you might have noticed that the taste of pav bhaji and dosa is not same. The taste of rasgulla and gulab jamun is not same. And even some vegetables, for examples, the taste of potato and tomato is also not same. That means the difference, there is a lot of difference in the taste of all the foods. And children, do you know why it is? Yes, children, before our food reaches to our stomach, it has to pass through our mouth, and our mouth has tongue which is helpful in tasting the food. And this tongue has some taste buds which helps in tasting the food. Taste buds are sensory organs that are found on our tongue and allows us to experience taste like sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Children, our tongue has four main tastes, that is sweet, salty, sour and bitter. And you can see in this picture that in which parts of tongue you will find all these tastes. So let's learn some tastes of food. Children, can you see this? Yes, this is a cake piece, and I know you know the taste of this cake piece. Yes, it is sweet. Children, do you know what is this? Yes, this is bitter gourd. And you know what is the taste of it? I know many of you might have not tasted also, but know its taste. Yes, this is bitter in taste. Yes, children, what is this? Yes, wafers, then biscuits, and you know what is the taste of all these items? Yes, it is salty, because some amount of salt is more in these items, that is why they are salty in taste. Children, can you see this? Onions, ginger and chilies. Do you know the taste of these items? Yes, these are pungent in taste. Pungent means some more like spicy. They are spicy in taste. Children, can you see this? Yes, it is pomegranate. And have you ever thought that what is the taste of this? When you eat this, you feel like something like that khatta pan, and but you never think that what is the taste of this. You never imagine. Yes, the taste of pomegranate is astringent in taste. That means in Hindi we call kasela swad. Okay, so these types of fruit, there is one more type of taste, that is astringent. Yes, children, can you see these fruits? I know you all like these fruits. Children generally like these types of fruits. Why? Because they taste juicy. And do you know what is the taste of these juicy fruits? Yes, they are sour in taste. So children, our tongue has 4 taste buds, but there are generally 6 types of taste. The food has 6 main tastes, that is sweet, salty, sour, pungent, astringent and bitter. For good health, all taste should be taken in proper quantity. So children, now whenever you eat your food items, you should see to that all the tastes are included in your food items. Children, take out page number 66. You can see a table over there. From which food do we acquire the following tastes? Children, 6 tastes are given: sweet, salty, sour, pungent, astringent, bitter. You have to find out that which food items are giving these tastes. Here you also have to find out that how these food items are present in the food. First one is sweet taste. Yes, sweet is present in sugarcane, jaggery, sugar cubes, sugar and ripe fruits. Children, this sugar is present naturally in some fruits like chiku, banana, etc. Jaggery, sugar cubes and sugar are present in our food in raw form, and when we mix these things into some more ingredients, they taste sweet. Now comes salty. Salty taste is in salt. The salt which we are using in everyday life is very important part of our recipe. Without salt, the recipe, our food item doesn't taste good, and this is present in raw form. Then comes sour taste. Yes, sour taste is present in tomato, tamarind, amla, raw mango, lemon, orange, sweet lemon. Yes, and all these items are present in our food in raw form. Then comes pungent taste. Carom seeds, which we call ajmo or ajwain, cinnamon, dalchini, garlic, lasan, mustard, rice seeds, black pepper, chili, then clove that is long, and ginger that is adrak. These food ingredients can be present in our food in raw form. They can be roasted or they can be fried too. Then comes astringent taste. Children, turmeric, beans, mango seed, betel nut, all these taste astringent. And how do you eat these foods, or how they are present in our food? Yes, raw form, they can be boiled or they can be roasted. Last one is bitter taste. Yes, fenugreek, bitter gourd and neem have bitter taste. And how will you eat it? You can boil it or you can roast it, and you can include these items in your food. So children, you might have got an idea that how these tastes are present in our food items. Now children, you have to fill the table in your workbook, Vikas Environment Around Us workbook, page number 98, question number 9. You can fill this table with the examples which we discussed in this video. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye. Have a nice day.